Alright, Prime Day is finally here. There are no time to waste. You must jump on these deals before it's sold out. If you're like me, who just recently picked up a Fuji XM5 or have a Fuji camera in general, this video is for you. And I'll include the link in the description below just so that you get the latest prices. First off, it says Viltrox 28mm f4.5 constant aperture. Check out the form factor. It is as pancake as it gets. It literally is the perfect pair when it comes to the XM5. It keeps the entire form factor ultra compact. The lens is sharp enough for what it is, as well as it's super fun to use, and I love the image rendering out of this lens. It's currently selling for 79 bucks. Original price was 110. The next lens I want to recommend is also by Viltrox. This is the 25mm f1.7 Air lens. It comes in E mount, Z mount, as well as Fuji X mount, which I have right here. To me, the 35 to 40mm is the Goldilocks zone when it comes to all-in-one lens. If I have to pick a lens, it'll be a 35mm. It's just my favorite focal length. It's just wide enough to get some environmental portraits, and you can still use it for some close-up shots. This lens is bright, is sharp, and has an f1.7 fast aperture. The third lens is also by Viltrox. It's basically your nifty 50 at 33mm f1.7. I started off on the nifty 50 and then eventually find my way into the 35mm focal length. You can get some cool detail shots with this. Also, don't forget, it's an f1.7, so it's great for low light, good for portraits, not as good for wide angle shots, but you can still get away with it if you take a few steps back. Oh, and this one is coming in at $144 right now. It's $4 more than the 25mm. The last one on the Air series is actually the 56 1.7. Now that would be the equivalent of an 85mm, and that is a great portrait lens. Right now, the 56 f1.7 is only $144 as well. So basically, you can get all three of these lenses, tax included, around 500 bucks. That is a heck of a deal. If you're just starting off, I would absolutely pick up all three of these lenses and then figure out which one you like and then sell the one that you don't use. The fifth one is also by Viltrox, but this time we're going to go ultra wide. The Viltrox autofocus 13mm is an f1.4 aperture. If you want to get into astrophotography, ideally you need a fast lens, a wide angle lens with little to no distortion. So this Viltrox 13mm is a f1.4, which lets in a lot of light onto your sensor, as well as its autofocus, and you can also do manual focus as well. It is a little bit heavier and bigger compared to the Air series, but it is absolutely worth it. Now this lens is currently on sale for 388 bucks, coming down from 486, almost 100 bucks off. If you want an ultra wide angle fast aperture autofocus lens, you can't go wrong with this Viltrox 13mm f1.4. Then again, 388 is a lot to spend on just one lens if you're just starting off. Then maybe you can check out this TD Artisan 10mm f2. I do not personally own this lens, but based on the review that I read, as well as the YouTube reviews that I've seen so far, this lens performance is actually pretty above average. This might be the budget lens that you get to see if you're into astrophotography. 135 bucks, coming down from 170. So let's talk about mini flash and lighting. Having a mini flash gives you a different look. You can get that Vogue, flash in your face look. It's just more playful, and it's just something that I want personally. So the Zenico Z04 mini flash is 21% off, currently at 23 bucks only, coming down from 29 bucks originally. If you want a little bit more powerful flash, their ZF08 mini flash is now 26 bucks. I would probably get that one because it's only $3 more. It has a faster refresh rate. I would rather have that little bit extra power. So ZF08 is probably going to be my recommendation out of the two. The next thing I want to talk about is this SmallRig photography flashlight. I wish they have like a cooler name for it, but it is currently 42 bucks, coming down from 52. So you save 10 bucks on this. What I like about this flashlight is the fact that it is RGB, so you can change color, red, yellow, blue, white. And the other thing is it comes with these cute little cutouts and this like camera snoot looking thingy, where you can project onto a wall or a black background. Could look like a sunset if I place it right. It just adds a little bit of extra texture to the back of your wall. And not to mention, if you take this off, you can actually zoom in and zoom out on the lens to focus your beam or to spread it out more. This is super versatile, especially if you're a wedding photographer and you're a portrait shooter. This is a must-have in your backpack. I'm assuming that you got the Fuji XM5 or Fuji system because you like photography, but you might also want to get into videography. Yes, the XM5 is super capable in video and it can shoot up to 6K, but it tends to overheat. To combat that, I'm gonna recommend this Ulanzi cooling fan. I just picked this up from the Prime deal myself, so I have not unboxed this yet. It's a cooling fan specifically made for the XM5, but it will also work with quite a few varieties of different cameras, including my Nikon ZF. This is a nice clean approach that keeps your camera cool. So if you wanna shoot long form, if you wanna talk to the camera a lot like I am right now, and you're afraid that your camera might overheat, having something like this is for sure gonna give you the peace of mind, as well as prevent your camera from shutting down due to overheating. Highly recommend this. This is currently 39 bucks right now, it's 10 bucks off. I will definitely be making a review video on this, so make sure you hit the subscribe button to see this review. All right, so the next thing are batteries. I recommend the K&F Concept USB-C charging battery. Now these are not the K&F Concept ones. These are the ones by Answer. All right, I'm still testing these out, and K&F Concept is coming in the mail right now. There are 2 of them and it comes in at 26 bucks with the original price of 34 bucks. So you're saving 24%. What I like about these newer generation battery is the fact that you can charge through USB-C. Especially with these NP batteries, they don't last that long. They suck. So you need a lot of them. So yeah, get some. Let's talk about accessorizing the XM5. Absolutely must have for your XM5 is the SmallRig grip, okay? You see this right here? This SmallRig grip makes it possible to actually hold your camera without dropping it. So right now, SmallRig has this combo going on where you get this metal grip right here. By the way, the metal grip also has a key that allows you to take it on and off really easily, as well as Arca Swiss plate right at the bottom, so you can mount it to most tripods on the market right now. The combo also comes with this metallic dead cat thing, which I already lost. If you want to just go minimalist and you just want something simple, but yet you want to get the best audio possible out of this camera, then you definitely need these wind mufflers as well. That combo currently costs $31. It was 39 bucks, so you're saving 21%. Then I also recommend you getting the thumb grip. Thumb grip also has a soft shutter combo, and that is coming in at 13 bucks. You're saving 3 bucks, but I highly recommend it. Probably one of the must-have accessories for your XM5. There's nothing more sad than to have a brand new camera with a fat scratch on the back. Just trust me, I know the pain. Gone through it so many times. So spend that $6, get yourself a glass screen protector. This thing cracks, gets scratched up, peel it off, put on another one. You'll thank me later. Assuming you want to start your own YouTube channel this year, and you absolutely should, and you want to get some cool POV shots of you using your camera, the XM5, change out lenses, street photography, all that fun stuff, then you need a way to shoot POV. I have the options for you. I recommend a PGY Tech neck mount. This is currently going for 23 bucks right now. And it also comes with like a nice stretchy strap. The PGY Tech neck strap is actually my POV setup whenever I want to shoot like first person stuff. Because we're talking about the Fuji XM5, of course we need an awesome camera strap. So I'll introduce my favorite camera strap, and I've reviewed this before. This is the PGY Tech camera strap. The name is pretty original, but this is probably the most comfortable camera strap I've ever owned. I brought this to Morocco. I brought this to the Sahara Desert. I've used this Hong Kong, Taiwan. This strap is still holding up. This is currently 36 bucks right now, coming down from 45. I would highly recommend picking this up ASAP before it's sold out. The one I got is blue, but it also comes in black and several other colors. And likely you're cool and you're a hipster and you want to look awesome and different, then I recommend the other PGY Tech, the hipster strap. underside is this vegan leather. On the other side is this black fake leather pleather. And the coolest part about the strap is the fact that it has these climbing ropes, right? So you adjust it by changing these climbing ropes, and that's how you adjust it. And it still uses the same quick release system as the bigger PGY Tech original strap. Boom, 1, 2. Look at that. So now you're looking super hipster. I don't know if people still use the word hipster, but whatever Gen Z uses now. I like this combo because it looks retro, it looks hip, and it's actually very comfortable. This video has gone on long enough. I'm gonna go do some more shopping, and if I find any more good deals, I'll be sure to make more videos to capture this Prime Day opportunity to shop till you drop. Peace.